हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन दोस्तों दिस इज़ द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ DRDO फॉर स्किल टेस्ट इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन आकाश मिसाइल दोस्तों इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल in your skill test and enhance your speed at the speed of 80 word per minute. Be ready. 10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. Akash is a medium range mobile surface to air missile defense system developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and produced by Bharat Dynamics Limited BDL for missile systems Bharat Electronics BEL Tata Power Strategic Engineering Division and Larsen and Turbo for other radars control centers launcher systems in India. The missile system can target aircraft up to 30 km away at altitudes up to 18,000 meter. It has the capability to neutralize aerial targets like fighter jets, cruise missiles, and air to surface missiles, as well as ballistic missiles. It is in operational service with the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force. Akash is a surface to air missile with an intercept range of 30 km. It has a launch weight of 720 kg, a diameter of 35 centimeter and a length of 5.78 meters. Akash flies at supersonic speed reaching around Mach 2.5. It can reach an altitude of 18 km and can be fired from both tracked and wheeled platforms. An onboard guidance system coupled with an actuator system makes the missile maneuverable up to 50 G loads and a tail chase capability for end game engagement. A digital proximity fuse is coupled with a 55 kilogram pre-fragmented warhead, while the safety, arming, and detonation mechanism enables a controlled detonation sequence. A self-destruct device is also integrated. It is propelled by an integrated ramjet rocket engine. The use of a ramjet propulsion system enables sustained speeds without deceleration throughout its flight. The missile has command guidelines in its entire flight. The design of the missile is somewhat similar to that of the SA-6 with four long tube ramjet inlet ducts mounted mid-body between wings. For pitch yaw control for clipped triangular moving, wings are mounted on the mid body. For roll control for inline clipped delta fins with ailerons are mounted before the tail. However, the internal scheme shows a different layout with an on-board digital computer, no semi-active seeker, different propellant, different actuators and command guidance data links. The Akash carries an onboard radio proximity fuse. An Akash battery comprises a single Rajendra 3D passive electronically scanned array radar and four launchers with three missiles each, all of which are interlinked. Each battery can track up to 64 targets and attack up to 12 of them. The missile has a 60 kg high explosive pre-fragmented warhead with a proximity fuse. The Akash system is fully mobile and capable of protecting a moving convoy of vehicles. The launch platform has been integrated with both wheeled and tracked vehicles. While the Akash system has primarily been designed as an air defense SAM, it also has been tested in a missile defense role. The system provides air defense missile coverage for an area of 2000 km. The Indian military's combined orders of the Akash, including radar systems, WLR, and surveillance, have a total worth of rupees 23,300 crore. There are a number of possibilities for deploying Akash weapon system in autonomous mode and in group mode for neutralizing the threat profiles with defined multi-target engagement scenarios. In the group mode, we can have number of configurations to defend vulnerable areas depending upon nature and expected threat pattern characteristics of threat. Similarly, multiple batteries in autonomous mode can be deployed to defend vulnerable areas points. In a group formation, the four batteries can be deployed in various geometric formations as suited to the vulnerable area being protected and the extent desired to be sanitized from enemy air threat. In a box deployment pattern, an Akash group can defend an area of 62 km into 62 km. In a linear array configuration, it covers an area of 98 km into 44 km. Trapezoidal configuration gives defense to the largest area as compared to any other pattern of development covering an area of size 5000 square kilometer. Each Akash battery can engage up to 4 targets simultaneously with 24 ready to fire missiles. Each battery has 4 launchers with 3 missiles while each Rajendra able to guide 8 missiles in total with a maximum of 2 missiles per target. Up to a maximum of 4 targets can be engaged simultaneously by a typical battery with a single Rajendra if one or two missile is allotted per target. A single Akash missile has an 88% probability of kill. Two missiles can be fired 5 seconds apart to raise the probability of kill to 98.5%. Communications between the various vehicles are a combination of wireless and wired links. The entire system is designed to be set up quickly and to be highly mobile for high survivability. The Akash system can be deployed by rail, road or air. Full stop. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share, comment. Thank you very much.